Hare Krishna Prabhu. So one of our goals in Krishna consciousness is to realize that we are not the body and we are the soul, right? So, and we say that the soul is the same irrespective of what type of body the soul is therein. Speaking about human beings, we are obviously separated into male and female, right? And as such, we are expected some roles, right? Some typical gender roles, like if you're a man, you should do this, or if you're a woman, you should do that, or something like that. So how do we sort of perform these roles, and also at the same time have this understanding that we are not the body and this body is temporary?
I gave you an example. If you can think you are the car and drive, or you can think car is my instrument and drive.
Yes, Prabhu.
I am. So I'll open the door, get out of the car. I'm not the car. I get inside and I drive. It so happens for a whole life you got one car.
Yes.
You got into this car and I had to drive. So that's all. Tool. The body has to be used, always related to as a tool. Just like if I can see through the specs. The glasses are an instrument for my seeing. It influences my seeing, but it is not my eyes. Similarly, this body influences my thinking, feeling, willing, acting, my karma indriya, jnana indriya. These are basic soul's tendencies, knowledge acquiring senses and acting senses. So it is influencing, the body is influencing. So I want the body to influence in a positive way what is favorable for my bhakti. Influence is there. So you accept the positive influence. Just like if my lens power changes, then it is a negative influence. I cannot see anything. So now I get the right power tested again. Now I can see. So yantra influences the spirit person. So I have to choose. Who chooses? I have to choose what kind of influence I want. So that is what, in sadhana bhakti, we are doing certain activities in the morning, we are choosing a certain influence upon us. Because I know that I have to choose that influence. Just like you choose to taste this food, that food, you choose to taste. Similarly, a higher quality of free will is choosing our influence. After you choose your influence, you are gone. Just like you can decide to put your hand in hot water or in ice. Once you put, then you will feel it is influenced already. But before that, you have to choose the influence. Choosing the influence is more fundamental than choosing the action. Action, first you think whether I want to feel hot or cold. And then you choose your action to take the hand into ice or into the boiling water. So see how important is our free will to choose the influence. Choose good association. You choose wrong association, then you get wrong influence. You choose to read wrong literature, mental speculation, then you are getting influenced. We are influenced. I cannot say, if I take a glass, I put a red glass, and then I cannot say, no, I will not see the world as red. You put a red glass, you will see the world as red. You put a green glass, you will see as a green glass. Similarly, I put my body through certain influence, I have to experience that. Grandharaj Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai.